Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends we are going to code guys how to restart Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to restart your Infinix mobile, so how to restart Infinix mobile with shortcut setting. Today friends we will not press any button on Infinix mobile, and without press any button friends we can restart Infinix mobile. So and first of all you will have to enable one shortcut setting on your device. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface. So friends scroll it. Friends click here Infinix mobile special function. After on special function setting friends last option accessibility setting, click here. And friends again scroll. And friends you can see this type interface. Friends click here accessibility menu shortcut setting, and guys your shortcut setting is disabled. So you can see this type interface. Click here allow option, and friends got it. Come back. Friends, you want to restart friends your Infinix mobile, so friends click here. Friends you can see phone power off setting, phone reset app setting, lock screen. Friends you want to lock your screen, you want to increase brightness, you can increase brightness with shortcut setting. Friends you can see brightness, you want to decrease, click here. You can decrease brightness with shortcut setting, and right side you can increase brightness. So friends click here human icon again, and friends you can see volume setting, you can increase volume and you can decrease volume. Right side friends if you swipe friends you can see notification. Friends I have two notification. Friends click here and you can check notification and you can remove notification. You want to on friends your quick setting, you can on guys your quick setting, you can take a screenshot. Friends now click here power off setting. Friends you want to power off your phone guys, long press here, you can power off. Right side friends restart. So guys if you touch so you cannot restart, if you touch so you cannot power off. Friends hold here and you can see long press to power off or restart. So a long press here and you can restart your phone guys. Automatic guys your phone will off, and friends automatic your phone will on. Don't press any button friends, wait for only just 10 seconds. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 phone on. So like that friends you can restart your Infinix mobile with shortcut setting without press any button. Are you friends you understood how to restart Infinix mobile without press any button? So friends your phone will on, swipe here and you can unlock your phone and you can use it. And friends you don't want to use the shortcut setting, you want to use the human icon, then click here accessibility menu shortcut setting off, and guys human icon will remove. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.